in today's video we are going to talk about acid, bases and salts. It's going to be a very basic introduction and then we will move towards more advanced concepts in a bit. I just want to compound from very basic knowledge till the advanced knowledge required for the higher curriculum. What are acids, bases and salts? Acid is a solution. You should know that acid is a solution. Base is a solution. So they both are sort of solution. And most common examples of acids and bases that is all around you are vinegar, lemon juice, battery acid, soda. You have baking soda as a base, ammonia, borax, and soap. So just by, you're surrounded by acids. It must have been sure that you have consumed soda today. You have eaten vinegar in your food. Your mother cleaned you know, your home using the infectant that had ammonia in it. You consumed baking soda, or it's obviously that you use soap. So these are the common household acids and bases you have in your home. So what differentiates them? Their properties differentiates them. And what are the properties? There's some very basic properties that acids have. First, that they are sour in taste. Must have been very unfortunate for the person that first tasted an acid and they, invented that it has sour in taste. But we really enjoy acid. I enjoy the sour grapeness, the citrus fruits. I enjoy them. We enjoy the sour taste in acid. Although there's a very mild acid, we enjoy it. So they are sour in taste. Secondly, they are corrosive. They are corrosive in nature. What does that mean? They are corrosive in nature. They have the ability to deform a shape or something. They corrode the skin, they corrode the metal all around them. So they have the property to deform. So they're sour in taste, they are corrosive in nature. Okay. And third and most important is what classify an acid and base is that the acid or they turn litmus paper. Litmus paper indicator. What is a litmus paper indicator? Litmus paper indicator is a paper that you dip in an acid that changes the color based on the quantity of an acid. If an acid is present, the paper will change color. So they turn litmus paper indicator from blue to red. So they turn litmus paper indicator color from blue to red. So these are some properties of the acid. First, they're sour in taste, they're corrosive in nature, and third, they turn litmus paper indicator blue to red. Now we'll look at that example and let's jump towards the bases and to compare the properties of the base with an acid. So if we compare the base, we can see that bases are bitter in taste. Bases are bitter in taste. Okay. Secondly, they're also corrosive in nature. Bases are also corrosive in nature. They're bitter in taste, they're corrosive in nature, and they turn litmus paper indicator color from red to blue. You must be thinking they are basically opposite of an acid, and you're probably right. They are kind of opposite of an acid. Their properties are opposite of an acid. Let's look at the demonstration of a litmus paper. So in a litmus paper, you can see that the acid, the blue litmus paper, has changed to red when we dipped it in an acid. And a red litmus paper turned to blue when dipped in a base. So basically, it's a solution. Acid is a solution. Base is also a solution. And these were some of the things that we needed to learn about acid and bases.